All right, this is about the level up. You should be able to talk about these things inside of your packages as things that you know how to do as they are in demand. Okay. The next skill that you need to know how to do in 2023. Welcome back and Happy New Year to all you cool cats and kittens. So here's the thing. When you become a social media manager, you know what? It's not just a social media manager. Any job that you have, one of the things that you're going to do is stay on top of your skills.
Are you gonna have any good skills?
Because there's always room to level up. There's always new things to learn every month, every year. Like, you should really be challenging yourself, because if you're stagnant, we don't like that. So there was this study done, right, by Social Media Today. And basically they put together the top skills for social media managers for the year of 2023. So you know what that means. Your girl is about to tell you all about them. So if you're ready, let's jump right on into it, shall we? All right, this is about the level up. So as we go through these skills, you know your girl has examples to show you, because I just love examples, okay? I'm very visual, maybe you are too. So we talk about skills. These are gonna be skills that potential clients may be looking for from you, and really just things that you should just have in your back pocket. You should be able to talk about these things inside of your packages as things that you know how to do as they are in demand. Okay. Coming in at number 4, we have TikTok. So what does that mean? If you don't know how to do TikTok, I implore you, please learn how to manage TikTok. So what does that actually mean? Like other social media platforms, you need to understand how TikTok's algorithm works, like what feeds into the algorithm, what helps you be seen on that platform. You need to be able to create a strategy around that. You need to understand how the funnels work on there. So how do you get people off of TikTok? Do they have DM features? What kind of account do you have to have a link in the bio? All those different types of things you need to understand about that platform. And you need to know how to stay consistent on that app, because it's a beast. Like, you got to keep your clients consistent. And I'm going to show you all an example of an account that I love. So this is Logan's Candies. And what I love about this account is just how much fun they have with it. Is very much behind the scenes. This is how you make the candies. And this is a family owned business. And I'm not sure if she still does, but the daughter runs the social media over here. So when you're looking at their content, you see like seasonal stuff. And it's really the dad, right? Really the dad. You'll see the mom in some videos, but they're just showing the behind the scenes of how they do what they do. And this works really, really well on TikTok. As you can see, they have 7.6 million followers as of today. And even their Instagram, excuse me, does really, really well. So TikTok, this is an account I want you to pay attention to, and just look to see how they do a little bit behind the scenes, okay? The next skill that you need to know how to do in 2023 is video direction. Clients are paying you as their social media manager to tell them what to do. So if you're telling your clients,
oh, we need to do some reels.
You need to be telling them exactly what to do. And by that, I mean you should be breaking it down. If you're going to be having them do something to a trending audio or trending song, you need to show them examples of how other people have done it. You need to tell them how you want them to do it, okay? So let's look at an example. This is from Maya England, and she has Modern Culture Design. So I don't know if Maya has a social media manager or not, but her content is so good. But let's say you were going to use something like this, where she does these before and afters. If you are going to be doing this, you need to tell the client, hey, when are you going to that house? All right, I need you to film these befores, because we're going to create reels that's going to show afters. And maybe that's one of your content pillars, and where you do consistent before and afters. But still, you need to tell the client the shots that you need them to get. And eventually they may catch on, but you got to spell it out for people, okay? Or if you're doing content days, you'll come and capture this content for them. It's up to you. But video direction and being explicit with what you need to happen, chef's kiss. We need that. Next up on the list is storytelling. So how can you capture in your client's audience? How can you help build that know and trust? What is the story? Is there a story? How can you convey it? These are all things that play into storytelling, and it doesn't have to be really, really difficult. So let's look at an example. So this is from Kelsey Freeman Photo, and she is a baby photographer, mommy to be photographer, and she tells really, really good stories in her videos of her clients as they come in, and just really check out her account. But let's look at an example.
I'm getting ready for a newborn session, and I am so excited about today's baby because I actually took his mommy's maternity pictures, and we're going to be doing a recreation shot, like a before and after, pregnant and baby picture. So right now I'm just getting all my props and my backdrops picked out, getting a green backdrop because mom said she likes greens. And I just went and got a new...
So what I love about Kelsey's account is that she does these really great voiceovers where you kind of get some insight into the babies or to the moms and what it is that they want, but you're also getting an idea of how much she cares for her customers, her clients, and you get an understanding of what it is that she does. So it helps build that trust up that she's really paying attention, and that's what helps convert. So this is what clients are going to be looking for you to come in and help them do things like this. Again, with her also, with Kelsey, I think she does her own stuff. I'm not sure, but she's doing an amazing job. And I like for you to look at that as an example. And the last, and I think this is probably one of the most important skills that you need to know how to do if you don't already, you need to know how to edit short form video. So depending on the client, the edits that you make need to be quick, they need to be catchy, they need to go with a song, you need to be able to put words on the screen if your client is one that talks on there. These are all the different things that go into video editing. Not only that, it may be video transitions. And these are things that you can do with apps. Some of these apps may be paid, they may have paid features, but it's worth it for you to invest in that because you know that's something that your clients are going to need. And we know that it is a top skill that you need to have as a social media manager. So let's look at an example. Now this one is from Ashley Major Moss, and she is a content creator, a travel content creator specifically. But look at this reel right here. It's very quick, right? But if this is your client, it goes back to our other topic of giving that video direction. If you know that your client is a travel content creator and they're going out, if they're a content creator, I don't know if they need you or not, but let's say they do. If your client is going out of the country or out of the state, you can give them ideas of how you want them to film the video, but then you need to be able to edit it. Like, don't expect to give the direction and then you think your client's going to edit it. They're going to look to you, be like,
here's that footage. What you doing with it?
And you're going to be like, I got it. Don't worry about it because my skills are topped off. Okay. I know what I'm doing over here. So guys, according to Social Media Today, these are going to be 4 of the skills that are going to make a big impact. And these are going to be things that you need to know how to do, and also to show your clients that you know how to do these things. So in your portfolio, you can show links to videos that you've created. You could talk about the video direction that you've done in it. You could talk about how you know how to use TikTok. These are things that I really, really want you to sit down and learn how to do. Spend the time investing in your craft. Spend the time investing in yourself. Now, if you already know how to do any of these things, or if you're ready to learn how to do any of these things, let me know down below. All right? And until next time.